A kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's the heart of the home, where memories are made and traditions are honored. For this family in Savannah, their old kitchen felt dark, outdated, and uninspiring. But they had a vision, a space that reflected their love for cooking, entertaining, and their cherished memories of Grandma Pat. Inspired by her passion for art and her favorite shade of blue, they incorporated Aunt Pat Blue into the backsplash, creating a heartfelt tribute. Illuminated cabinets now showcase their stunning hand-blown glass collection, adding warmth and personality to the space. But beyond beauty, this renovation transformed how they live. Cooking is no longer a chore, it's a joy, with a gas cooktop that elevates their culinary experience. This isn't just a new kitchen, it's a space filled with love, stories, and deep connection to family history.